Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I am going to talk about the adjective of quantity. And most important thing is that I am going to discuss the difference between little, a little and the little, as well as the difference between the few, a few and the few in this video, right? So I hope you will get it very well. Let's start the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity are those adjectives which shows the quantity of a noun or pronoun, or which shows that how much of things is made. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी वो एडजेक्टिव हैं जो हमें नाउन और प्रोनाउन की कोई क्वांटिटी बताएं, कोई मेजरमेंट बताएं, राइट। जिस तरह यहाँ पे सम, एनी, ऑल, होल, इनफ, ये जो है ये हमें क्वांटिटी बताते हैं। ये इस सम की या हमारे नाउन और प्रोनाउन की कोई क्वांटिटी बता दें कि ये इस तरह अज्यूम करके आई एड सम राइस, आई एड सम राइस, आई एड राइस, I ate some rice. I don't know how much quantity of rice I ate. लेकिन जब मैं ये मेंशन करता हूँ कि I ate some rice, then I come to know that I have eaten some rice, right? So it means here I am going to show the quantity. Quantity of what? Quantity of noun. She has no sense. She has no sense. Sense when she has sense. But when we say no sense, then we come to know that she has, we know the quantity of the sense. It means she has no sense, right? Or we can say that here now we discuss the difference between little, a little, and the little. Here we few, a few, and the few, right? These are what? These are all the adjective of quantity which shows the quantity of noun or pronoun. But there is a difference that the little and few, little is mostly used for uncountable nouns. However, few is mostly used for countable nouns. Few is mostly used for countable nouns. However, little is used for uncountable nouns. See, the word little, a little, and the little. There is a difference. There is a difference between these three words, right? First of all, the little. When we simply say little, then we mean that it is about negligible. It's very nearly to zero. It's nearly to zero. 100 means only 2%. 100 means only 2%. When we say little, I have a little hope. I have a little hope. It means from 100, I am only hopeful of only 2%. So little hope means a 2% hope from out of 100, out of 100. It's very little, negligible, near to very zero. When we say I have a little hope, I have a little hope means I am very much optimistic about this thing. Okay, there will be something. There are the so when we say a little hope, then there can be 50% chances or 30% chances. I means I have little bit of hope in this way, right? When we say the little hope हम तब यूज करते हैं जब हम पर्टिकुलर की बात कर रहे हैं। हम लोग कहते हैं हमें जितनी भी उम्मीद है, लेकिन वो हमें श्योरिटी है कि ये उम्मीद मेरी सही है, ये उम्मीद मेरी सही है। लेट्स सपोज मैं कॉन्फिडेंस के बारे में बात करें, लिटिल कॉन्फिडेंस। ही हैज लिटिल कॉन्फिडेंस। इसके बाद बहुत ही कम कॉन्फिडेंस। ही हैज अ लिटिल कॉन्फिडेंस। ही हैज अ लिटिल कॉन्फिडेंस। अ लिटिल कॉन्फिडेंस इट मीन्स कि he can prove himself. He can prove himself, right? So 50%. When we say the little confidence he possesses, the little confidence he possesses. अब मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा हूँ? The little confidence which he possesses has no parallel. जो इसके पास थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस है उसका कोई पैरेलल नहीं है, राइट। तो लिटिल कॉन्फिडेंस, जब द लिटिल की बात करते हैं तो हम पर्टिकुलर कर रहे हैं, वो जितना भी है, लेकिन उसकी हम द लिटिल नॉलेज विच ही पॉजेस, द लिटिल नॉलेज विच ही पॉजेस एज is very amazing, is very amazing. The little knowledge which he possesses, the little knowledge which he possesses as is amazing. Is the little knowledge which he possesses. राइट तो इस तरह लिटिल द लिटिल को हम इस तरह जब पर्टिकुलर सेंस में बात करें तो अब हम द लिटिल यूज करेंगे राइट लिटिल का मतलब निग्लेजिबल और नियरली टू जीरो अ लिटिल का मतलब समहाउ एंड द लिटिल इन ए पर्टिकुलर सेंस सो द केस विद दीज फ्यू अ फ्यू एंड द फ्यू फ्यू मीन्स वेरी नियरली टू जीरो और बहुत ही कम निग्लेजिबल और ओनली वी कैन से द 2% or 5% right जब भी when we say a few then we are going to say 50% or somehow and a few the few mean in a particular sense a few the few are used for countable nouns we know that those nouns which we can count such as friends such as officers such as visitors right here we were talking about uncountable nouns like the hope like the knowledge like the food like in this sense we were talking about the uncountable nouns and here we are talking about the countable nouns right so I have few friends I have few friends means only two or three few friends I have a few friends I mean I have more than 50 more than 100 friends right the few friends which I have the few friends which I have those are very interesting right so the few friends which I have those are interesting so in this sense we can use the few and the few right so this is the little bit difference between these 6 letter word